Lebara Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Lebara Mobile plans and details are in the description below. Let's dive into it. Lebara Mobile is a well-known mobile virtual network operator, MVNO, in the UK, offering affordable pay-as-you-go and contract-free plans. Operating on the Vodafone network, Lebara provides extensive coverage across the country, ensuring solid performance in both urban and rural areas. It's an ideal choice for people looking for low-cost mobile services with flexible options. Lebara's plans are tailored for both UK residents and international users, with data plans ranging from 1 GB to 20 GB and unlimited UK calls and texts on most packages. The standout feature of Lebara Mobile is its international calling options. For those who need to stay connected with family and friends abroad, Lebara offers incredibly competitive rates for international calls, often including free minutes to a wide range of countries. Lebara also makes it easy to manage your plan. With no long-term contracts or credit checks, you can easily top up or switch plans without the hassle of being locked into a commitment. This makes it perfect for users who want flexibility or are looking for a temporary solution without getting tied into complex contracts. Additionally, Lebara's customer service is known for being accessible, and they offer a variety of top-up options, both online and in-store, which makes managing your account hassle-free. However, Lebara isn't without its drawbacks. While it uses the Vodafone network, it doesn't offer 5G service, which may not suit users who want faster speeds. The data speeds on lower-tier plans can be limited, and once you've hit your data cap, you might experience slower speeds, which can be frustrating for heavy users. Also, while the international calling options are great, Lebara's domestic data offerings may not be enough for heavy data users. In conclusion, Lebara Mobile is a great budget-friendly option, especially for those who need international calling at competitive rates. It's perfect for those who want flexibility without long-term commitments, but if 5G and high-speed data are essential for you, there may be better alternatives. Check the links in the description for the latest plans and pricing.